Sometimes, the most powerful thing about a car isn't its engine. It's how it makes you feel when you look at it. In this video, we dive into a world where elegance, aggression, and perfect proportions come together. These are the 10 most stunning, head-turning cars on the planet, machines that blend art and engineering in ways few can imagine. Buckle up, this ride's going to be breathtaking. When beauty meets raw power, the result is something like the Ferrari Roma, a car that doesn't scream for attention but quietly steals every glance. Its sleek body is sculpted with soft curves and flowing lines, giving it the elegance of a grand tourer with the heart of a predator. The frameless grille and minimalist detailing reflect a new design language from Ferrari, one rooted in subtle sophistication. Narrow LED headlights stare ahead like focused eyes, and the smooth roofline flows to the rear like silk in the wind. Inspired by the glamour of 1950s Rome, the Roma is a nod to timeless style. Hidden door handles preserve the purity of its lines, and inside, the cabin is wrapped in fine leather and digital elegance. But beneath all that finesse lies a twin-turbo V8 engine pushing over 600 horsepower, proving it's not just a pretty face. The price of this Italian masterpiece hovers around $245,000, which feels almost reasonable for something that looks and drives like a moving sculpture. Here comes a car that feels like it's wearing a custom-tailored suit. The Aston Martin DB12 exudes British sophistication with a dose of raw muscle. From its wide, assertive grille to its perfectly proportioned rear haunches, everything about this machine whispers refined aggression. The long hood and sculpted sides give it a poised, athletic stance, while the signature racing green color wraps it in classic motorsport heritage. Slim LED headlights and 21-inch forged wheels add to its suave presence. What sets the DB12 apart is its ability to merge tradition with innovation. The interior greets you with hand-stitched leather, carbon fiber accents, and a cabin that feels like a private lounge. Nearly every part of the car can be customized, from the stitching to the trim materials. And while it may look ready for a royal event, it houses a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 that delivers 671 horsepower. The price of this gentlemanly beast is around $240,000, an elegant sum for an even more elegant machine. If mystery had a shape, it would look like the Bugatti Voiture Noire. This one-off hypercar is a tribute to Bugatti's lost Type 57 SC Atlantic, and is entirely sculpted from gloss black carbon fiber. Every curve is seductive and seamless, reflecting an obsession with both performance and aesthetics. The flowing silhouette looks like it was formed by wind and shadow. A dramatic LED strip stretches across the rear, while 6 signature exhaust pipes make the back end unforgettable. Beyond its haunting beauty, La Voiture Noire is an engineering marvel. It features a W16 engine with almost 1,500 horsepower and a top speed that belongs in fantasy. Each component is handcrafted with precision, making this car not just rare but legendary. Its price? A jaw-dropping $18 million. And yes, it was sold. Now we arrive at a design legend, the Porsche 911 Turbo S. This is not just a car, it's a silhouette etched into automotive history. With its iconic round headlights, wide rear arches, and flowing roofline, the 911 has perfected the art of minimalist performance. The Turbo S enhances that shape with larger intakes, active aero, and quad tailpipes that hint at the beast within. What's beautiful about the 911 is its consistency. Porsche has refined it for decades without ever losing what makes it instantly recognizable. The LED light bar at the rear unites form and function, and the overall proportions feel balanced and pure. It's a car built from precision, for drivers who appreciate harmony. The price of this German icon is around $225,000, well earned for a timeless piece of design. Brace yourself. This one looks like it fell out of the future. The Lamborghini Sián is sharp, angular, and unapologetically wild. Its Y-shaped headlights and hexagonal taillights are instantly recognizable, while the sculpted body is all about aerodynamics and drama. Even the engine cover is a piece of art, with exposed components and cooling vents that look like they belong on a fighter jet. The Sián isn't just beautiful, it's historic. It's Lamborghini's first hybrid, using supercapacitors instead of batteries to store energy. The result is lightning-fast power delivery paired with a roaring V12 engine pushing over 800 horsepower. Every detail, from the carbon fiber fins to the active aero, screams innovation. The cost of this futuristic beast is around $3.5 million, an outrageous figure, but somehow totally fitting. Ready to witness pure design insanity? The Pagani Huayra Roadster BC is less of a car and more of a sculpture in motion. Every curve, vent, and edge has been carefully chiseled to perfection, with a body made almost entirely from custom carbon titanium weave. The exposed carbon fiber glistens under the sun, while the car's swooping lines create a mesmerizing blend of chaos and harmony. From its aggressive front splitter to the floating rear wing, this is a car designed to awe. Inside, the Huayra BC is even more theatrical. The cabin looks like a steampunk spaceship with machined aluminum switches, quilted leather seats, and visible gear linkages. Even the air vents look like art pieces. Underneath the beauty is a twin-turbocharged V12 from AMG, putting out over 750 horsepower. Only 40 units exist, making it one of the rarest beauties on Earth. And the price for this rolling masterpiece? Around $3.5 million, a fitting number for something so unapologetically bespoke. Stepping into the past never looked so futuristic. The Alfa Romeo 33. Stradale is a revival of one of the most beautiful cars of the 20th century, redesigned for today with a modern twist. Its low, wide stance, butterfly doors, and curvy fenders give it the silhouette of a racing icon, while its simple, elegant grille and narrow headlights evoke true Italian romance. The body flows like molten metal, celebrating every inch of its retro heritage with futuristic refinement. What's even more unique, buyers can choose between an electric version or a twin-turbo V6. It also features a transparent engine cover that shows off the beating heart of the machine. With only 33 units being made, it's a piece of history reborn. And for those lucky enough to get one, they'll pay around $2.5 million for the privilege of owning this rolling time machine. Let's switch gears with something completely different. The Koenigsegg Gemera might just be the most beautiful four-seater ever created. At first glance, it looks like a hypercar straight from the future. Low, wide, with massive wheels and a panoramic glass roof. The unique dihedral synchrohelix doors open upwards dramatically, revealing a spacious, luxurious interior with room for 4 adults. Yes, really. Design-wise, the Gemera is a contradiction that works. It's both aggressive and refined, with futuristic lighting elements and a minimalist cabin that includes touchscreens and sculpted leather seats. What makes it even more mind-blowing is that it uses a tiny 3-cylinder engine paired with 3 electric motors to produce a combined 1,700 horsepower. This beast looks like a family cruiser but accelerates like a jet. The price tag? Around $1.7 million a bargain when you consider it's the only hypercar you could drop your kids off at school in. Elegance has a new name, and it's written in rose gold. The Rolls-Royce boat tail is not just a car, it's a custom-built art piece for the ultra-elite. With its nautical-inspired rear deck, butterfly-opening trunk that reveals a full picnic set, and custom umbrellas, this car takes luxury to absurd new heights. The front is unmistakably Rolls-Royce, with its imposing grille and Spirit of Ecstasy ornament leading the way. But everything else has been tailored to the owner's exact desires. Only 3 boat tails have been made, each unique to its buyer. The paintwork is layered by hand. The interior materials include mother of pearl, and the rear is designed to resemble a luxury yacht. The V12 engine is almost an afterthought. This car isn't about speed. It's about presence. And with an estimated price of around $28 million, it's currently one of the most expensive cars ever created. And now, the final masterpiece where beauty meets sustainability. The Mercedes-Benz Vision EQXX is a concept car designed to show the future of electric mobility in its most stunning form. With its ultra-slippery shape, flowing roofline, and minimalist front fascia, it looks more like a sculpture than a car. The rear tapers gently like a teardrop, maximizing aerodynamics, while the sleek LED lights wrap seamlessly around its body. Inside, the EQXX is filled with sustainable materials like mushroom leather and recycled fabrics. Yet it still feels luxurious and cutting edge. It holds the record for one of the most efficient electric drives ever, covering over 1,000 kilometers on a single charge. While not for sale yet, its estimated value is around $1 million, and it's a rolling preview of what beauty in the EV world will look like. These 10 cars prove that design isn't just about lines and colors. It's about emotion, innovation, and presence. Whether it's a handcrafted Rolls-Royce or a carbon fiber Bugatti, each of these machines captures the imagination and turns heads for all the right reasons. Which one was your favorite?
Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah, yeah. All of the trash, forget them. I'm running the race and I'm faster than them. Yeah.